Club.
Paddle through the shiny stream with your hat and sunny gleam. Waves go swish and fish go flip. Hold on tight and take a trip.
Splashing left and splashing right, sailing under morning light. Sing a tune and feel the breeze, gliding past the swaying trees.
Row it slow, then row it fast. Make the giggles truly last. Echoes laugh and ducklings cheer. Boating fun is always near. Raindrops fall and then they shine, painting rainbows as we dine. Turtles wave from rivers bend. Every journey has a friend.
Float along the sky so blue, every paddle feels brand new. Adventure waits on every shore.